Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out phrase books on the Language Translator application to learn phrases and expressions on your target language. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the fourth option down below, which is the phrasebook option. Here you should select your source language and your target language as well. You have a vast variety of options that you can choose from. After that, as you scroll down, you can see that there are categories such as general, in the market, meal times, traveling, in hospital, time and date, on airport, technology, emergency, public offices, at restaurant, at police station. So the words and expressions are organized into distinct categories. So click on the relevant one that you find interesting. And
Hi, where can I?
First, you need to watch this ad. Now you should skip the video by tapping on the skip video icon in the upper right corner of the screen and click on the X icon. Here you are going to find conversation topics and examples. So here is your source language in the left side box, and in the right side the blue box indicates the target language equivalent of that particular expression. As you scroll down, you can proceed in this conversation or in this dialogue, and you can get to know a bunch of useful phrases connected to your chosen topic. If you want to check out the pronunciation of a certain word, all you have to do is clicking on the speaker icon.
Savoureux.
If you want to copy it so that you can save it for later, tap on the second option. As you can see, it's copied. However, you have moreover, you have this share icon, so you can share it with your friends if you have found an interesting word. Tap on the share button and you will be able to send it via AirDrop, messages, Messenger, and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.